Greetings of the hour, everyone. My name is Arthur Sherry. I'm the founder and CEO of Million Speakers Talks, an international public speaking coach and consultant. It has been more than 18 years now. I've been working to give multiple public speakers in India and abroad. And today we have witnessed an excellent workshop, first workshop ever by Monica Ahuja, who is a pageant expert, now a certified motivational speaker by Institute of Professional Speaking. And what a turnaround it has been in her life. She had been through many tough times in her life, but today what we have witnessed, how she has graced everything so beautifully, and how she has practically developed her skills, worked on herself, and today she has demonstrated those skill set in front of 100 people in the room here at Hotel Hyatt Centric Janakpuri, 19th January 2025. This is the date she will remember her for a very, very long time, because now she is a motivational speaker and she is going to change lives of many people around, many students around. I wish her all the very best. Thank you.
It's never too late to rediscover yourself. My purpose is clear: to inspire, to motivate, and give back to the society. This is my story, my dear friends, and I'm ready to help you write yours. Thank you. Jai Hind.
So without wasting any further time, let me invite our signature workshop speaker of the day,
Monica Ahuja! Okay, Monica, please come on the stage. And we are looking forward to have an amazing work. Over to you, Monica.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aisa. Need your blessings again today. Very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you from the bottom of my heart, taking out your valuable time on this Sunday afternoon, coming here to support and encourage me. तहे दिल से आप सबका शुक्रिया for watching the glimpse of my transformation journey in my life. This was the dream that I have seen with my own eyes. I have nurtured it by my heart and I worked hard to make it a reality. ये ना वो एक ऐसा सपना था जो मैंने खुली आंख से देखा था, और आज ये सपना सच हो रहा है. आज मैं उस सपने को जी रही हूँ. It's just right here. But let me tell you something. I am feeling very overwhelmed right now. I'm very nervous right now, but at the same time, I'm very grateful and feeling blessed to experience this blend of emotions. पहले ना जब कुछ करने की ठानती थी तो एक इमोशन से बहुत डरती थी. Nervousness, confusion. My mentor sitting right there, I just remember this backstage during the pageant time, because that was never my forte. I was a 19 years educationist. Backstage, we were ready to climb on the grand finale stage, and Pooja ma'am, our mentor and guide, she walked backstage and she was just congratulating and wishing best to all the contestants. मैं कोने में खड़ी, I was just waiting ये free हो जाए. I went up to her and hold her tightly. Pooja ma'am, I am feeling very nervous. मुझे नहीं लग रहा मुझसे ये हो पाएगा, मैं स्टेज पे जा पाऊंगी. And then she just kept her right hand on my shoulder and said, Monica, जो लोग नर्वस होते हैं वो गलतियां नहीं करते. जो लोग नर्वस होते हैं वो गलतियों से नहीं डरते. So go, you are on the right track, nail it. Just before this workshop, 3 days, I rushed to Sherry sir's office. सब मुझसे नहीं लड़ा, मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. I'm getting very nervous. I went to his office with a panic stage, and he was calmly sitting on the chair with a very mild smile on his face. Monica, sit down. Sir, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, मुझसे कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा. I don't know where to land up. He again smiled, funny. And then he stood, he shook my hand. Monica, it is a healthy sign. जो लोग नर्वस होते, why? Because they want to give their best. Because they want to achieve higher. नहीं तो क्या सोच लो, हो जाएगा, कर लूंगी, मेरी तो लाइफ जर्नी बतानी तो है, बता देंगे. But he said, because you want to give your best, it's good to be nervous. मुझे समझ आया, वाओ, नर्वस इज सच अ नाइस फीलिंग. दैट्स द फीलिंग जो आपको अपने लक्ष्य तक लेके जाएगी. सो हो नर्वस, क्यों नहीं होना, मांगो मैं नर्वस हूं. एंड समटाइम्स इन माय लाइफ when I get nervous, I do this beautiful exercise. And believe me, it worked wonders. अपने आप से बात करती थी. I would just stand in front of the mirror. Oh, why don't you all join me? Let's do this exercise together. Let's stand up. Please, I request you to. And believe me, you will just take this away from this workshop today. Open your arms wide. Make it a little tighter. Bring your hands close to yourself. Hug yourself. Pat yourself and say, I love you. You are the best. You are made to shine. It's good to be nervous. Now close your eyes, ladies and gentlemen.
What I've been doing in the last 2 decades. But two, this is serious. Can't devote time to myself. I was recently diagnosed with kidney cancer. Number 4, 3, share my success story.
Share your.
And the outstanding Sanskrit entrepreneur in the state of Haryana. I'm ordinary president of India. 4, write one more book. I've already written 2 books, which have been popular and liked by people.
Oh, that's lovely. That's. I'm so. Thank you so much. Sir. Please be seated.
Very nice. Very
Anyone would like to share? Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Monica Ahuja and today I proudly say that I am a certified official motivational speaker. Today I conducted my very first signature workshop under the guidance of Author Sherry sir, my mentor, and this workshop was attended by around 150 people. It was a very interactive workshop, people are taking away so much with them, and the chief guest being the CFO of OPPO. I am feeling very blessed, very proud, and I am ready enough to render my services as a motivational speaker, share my experiences and transform life. Thank you so much. God bless.
I'm Monica Ahuja's husband and really enjoyed it. She actually surprised me with the knowledge she shared with people, and I did listen to her speech earlier, but what she did was tremendous today. It was totally out of the box and I'm really proud of her. All the best.
Everyone, my name is Rhythm. I'm the co-founder and lead designer of Spaces by Rock. So I was invited for this event by Miss Monica Ahuja, and this event went really well. She was very confident. She's got this resilient force in her to be on the stage. She's a very confident woman and she performed it really well. We had a very great time. It was very interactive. The sessions were very interactive during the whole course and we enjoyed it thoroughly. So if anyone needs to contact her, the details are there at back. You can contact her through the details. Thank you.
Rana, Group CFO, MSM Group of Companies, and Director at Pastel Systems, MSM Retails, और उसके बाद ऑथर इनके हमारे बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया. आई एम ग्लैड कि इन्होंने मुझे आज ऐसा चांस दिया कि मुझे आज मुलाकात हुई मोनिका अहूजा जी से, जो उनकी मैंने वर्कशॉप अटेंड की. ये वर्कशॉप है बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक डिज़ाइन की गई है. ये जो नॉलेज है वो नॉलेज इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है, ये स्कूल कॉलेजों में नहीं पढ़ाया जाता. और जो बेहतरीन इन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी की लाइफ शेयरिंग की है और जो इन्होंने सक्सेस की बात की है। जनरली यूट्यूब पे आप कुछ भी खोलते हो तो आपको सब दिखाई देता है कि आप कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो तो मिलेगा, वो आपको टिप्स देंगे, लेकिन रियल में उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में खुद को पाया नहीं है। लेकिन हम उस एग्जाम्पल के साथ हैं जो जिंदा खुद एग्जाम्पल हैं, जिन्होंने खुद किया है, तो उनके जो कहने के मायने हैं उस कुछ अलग हैं। तो जब वो ये बात कह रही हैं और जो सिखा रही हैं, दैट्स अमेजिंग, और हमारी गुड विशेज़ हैं कि वो इसको आगे बढ़ाएं और लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसका बेनिफिट लें और आगे बढ़े। थैंक यू वेरी मच शेर साहब।
I've worked with Monica for 12 years in a school. She was my colleague and I've seen her journey throughout. Today, the best thing I liked about her launch as an inspirational or motivational speaker was that I have a feeling that she has inspired and motivated her own self first. Because I remember her fumbling in her first speech or first presentation in school, and from there she has grown, and today I was in awe with her, and only thing that I can say for her is best wishes, and may she soar higher and higher. Thank you so much.
I am JP Malhotra, President DLF Association, Faridabad. Coming to today's program is a dream come true. What a fantastic speaker in the making. I am very much impressed the way she expressed herself. She is confident, she is knowledgeable, she has got the wisdom, passion, authenticity. और यही एक कोच की हमने जो देखा है रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि अपना जो मैसेज है, अपनी जो नॉलेज है वो स्प्रेड करेंगे, ताकि जो है इंडस्ट्री को बाय लार्ज और एकेडमिया को इससे फ़ायदा हो। दे आर मोटिवेटेड टू एक्सेल एंड फॉलो अवर फुटस्टेप्स एंड एडवाइस सो दैट दे कैन ऐड टू दी विकसित भारत मिशन ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी। थैंक यू।
David. I'm a fashion photographer and also a founder of Michelle David Foundation. Well, I'm truly inspired today by coming here, and very thankful to author Sherry for inviting me here. Monica has been a great inspiration today for me, and I could relate so many stories with her. And thank you so much for having me over. Thank you.
My name is Ankit Nagpal. I'm the director for Bang On Target PR and Media Solutions, and also the director for Groom to Bloom Grooming Academy. A big congratulations to Monica ji. I think she's come a very long way. I've known her from the time she almost stepped into the industry, and today she's being launched here with author Sherry's platform. I think it's a wonderful occasion to congratulate both of them, because there are two big minds which have come together. One, somebody who's so experienced like author Sherry. For several years he's made a mark of himself in this industry, and giving a platform and launching Monica, I think it is wonderful, and I give heartiest congratulations to both of them for this. Thank you.
I'm a serial entrepreneur. आज coming here for Monica's launch as a motivational speaker was an amazing event. Monica has been a superstar in terms of learning, because she has been an excellent learner. She has a lot of perseverance, and her commitment to her work will take her to high mountains, higher skies. I wish her all the best for success as a motivational speaker. I wish she motivates the world at large. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Indu Tikku Kohli, and I'm a holistic wellness coach. I'm a national international pageant groomer and author. So, talking about today's event, the title of the talk was Vision to Victory. एंड मेरे एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जिसमें मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि विजन इज़ अ सीड बट एक्शन इज़ अ वाटर दैट मेक्स इट वर्क। नंबर 2, सेल्फ डाउट किल्स मोर ड्रीम्स दैन अ फेलियर एवर विल। नंबर 3, आज के इंस्पिरेशन को लेते हुए दैट योर स्टोरी कैन चेंज समवन्स लाइफ, so don't hesitate, be fearless and fearlessly share your stories with the world. And today, like, we have gathered to celebrate the incredible journey of this lady Monica. I know she has also embraced the same principles, and now she's embarking on a new journey, a larger stage where she's going to inspire the world. I just wish her wholeheartedly a big congratulations and best wishes, big dreams, great vision, and greatest victories coming forward. Thank you so much.
Myself, Dr. Tanveer Navid, Deputy Dean Health and Allied Sciences, MIT University. तो बेसिकली मिस मोनिका आहूजा का लॉन्च था एज ए मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, वो एक बहुत ही वर्दी इवेंट था अटेंड करने के लिए, और इवेंट अटेंड करके मैं खुद ये फील कर रहा हूँ कि एक नई प्रेरणा, एक नई उमंगें, एक नई सपनों की उड़ान आज यहाँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म से मैं खुद लेके जा रहा हूँ। और मैं बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ मोनिका जी को कि किस तरह से उन्होंने एक बिल्कुल साधारण तरीके से अपना जो करियर था वो स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन फिर मोटिवेट करके ख़ुद को ट्रांसफॉर्म करके आज एक बहुत ही देश में विख्यात मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर वो बनी हैं। तो मैं बहुत उनको बधाई देता हूँ।
Okay, good evening everyone. So it was a privilege to be in the part of this motivational speaker's journey of Monica Ahuja. So Monica journey started from household to a motivational speaker. So the way she has actually groomed herself and the way author Seri has actually helped her to come on the stage is really commendable. And I'm very much happy to be the part of this particular event. And it was a great presentation by Monica, and I wish her a very great success in near future. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Lipi Gidwani, a public motivational speaker and a mind shaper and a life coach. And I'm really excited and really happy for Monica Ahuja, and many congratulations from my side to her that she has launched herself as a public motivational speaker. And her program Vision to Victory was amazing. The name itself tells how a person can change his dream to a victorious dream. So I must say she was an amazing person who explained it very well in a 40 minutes workshop, and we really enjoyed it, and I hope I learned and definitely implement in my life. And thank you Monica, and wish you a lot of success in your life and many more victories. Thank you.
शर्मा, एडवोकेट दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट, सेक्रेटरी जनरल MS टॉक। आज ये प्रोग्राम जो मोनिका जी ने यहाँ रखा है अपना मोटिवेशन स्पीकर के बारे में, बहुत बढ़िया, और इतने अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट उन्होंने बताए हैं अंडर द गाइडेंस एंड मेंटरशिप ऑफ ऑथर शेरी। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है कि MS टॉक के हमारे जो ऑथर शेरी हैं उन्होंने एक ऐसा अपनी बगीचे में पौधा लगाया है, उसको आज यहाँ सिर्फ पौधा ही नहीं उसके फल भी लग गए हैं। और ये इतनी अच्छी मीटिंग रही, इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला कि कमाल हो गया है कि मोटिवेशन स्पीकर का, और उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सब कुछ बताया। उससे भी बड़ी इनकरेजमेंट मिलती है कि एक आदमी कहाँ से चला और कहाँ पहुँचा, और उसने अपनी लाइफ में कितना कुछ किया। ये एक बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल कहानी थी जिससे हम सब ने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। और मैं मोनिका जी को अपनी बेस्ट विशेस देता हूँ कि वो अपनी लाइफ में ऐसे काम करती रहें और लोगों को ये सारी चीज़ सिखाकर मोटिवेशन स्पीकर बनाएं जिससे देश का उद्धार हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
आज मोनिका आहूजा जी का एज ए मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर लॉन्च इवेंट था, विज़न टू विक्ट्री। उनकी अपनी जो खुद की जर्नी है दैट इटसेल्फ इज़ वेरी मोटिवेशनल, और हमारी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं उनको हैं कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने सेल्फ मोटिवेट होकर के अपनी लाइफ में एक पर्पस हासिल किया है, वही पर्पस आज के चैलेंजिंग पीरियड में खास करके युवा वर्ग को वो अपने अनुभवों से, अपने विज़न, अपने विजडम से देंगी। ऐसी शुभकामनाएं।